Hi students, today I am sending you some worksheets for practice. Do these worksheets carefully and practice. In the brackets, answers are given here. So choose the correct answer from the brackets and write down carefully. First one, we dash with our nose. We know that we smell with our nose. So in the column you have to write the answer smell. Then we dash with our eyes. We see with our eyes. So like this you have to write the answer in the right column. Next exercise, how many do you have? So here you have to write the number in the bracket. Here also the so many numbers are given here, but one number will be repeated so many times. The one is given, no, only one time one is given here, but maybe in the answer so many times, so 2 or 3 times one will be repeated. For example, I have dash eyes. We know that we have 2 eyes. So here you have to write 2. Then next I have a dash lips. So here we know that we have 1 lips. So you have to write 1 there. And I have a dash ears. So again the 2 will be repeated. I have 2 ears. So no problem, no options are here, but you have to write 2 again. Then I have a dash fingers. I have 10 fingers. Like that you have to write. Next, here some questions are given here. The first question, is this a mouth? So we know that this is not the picture of a mouth. This is the picture of arm. So you have to write like this. No, this is arm. So which body part is here? You have to mention that body part. For example, is this a chest? We know that this is not a chest. So you have to write no, this is leg. So like that you have to write the answer. Next, we have to find out the correct answer here. For example, we wash our hands with dash. In the option, toothbrush is given, hairbrush and soap. So we have to write, we wash our hands with soap. Next question, we can clean our face with dash. Here also options and pictures are given. So find out the correct answer from here. Next, here what you have to do is you have to put these pictures in the correct order. What will be the first action? For that you have to put number 1. Then the next action put number 2. Then 3, 4. Like that you have to put the numbers. Next, write the correct word here. The picture is given here. So look at the picture carefully and write down the name of the picture. For example, number 1, this is my ear. We know that this is the picture of ear. So you have to write this is my ear. Number 2, this is my nose. Like that. Next, answer the questions. What is this? We know that this is toes. T-O-E-S. Toes. Next, what is this? This is our arm. Like that you have to write the answer. So do this worksheets carefully and practice at home. Thank you. Have a nice day.